This is the Wuben PL01. It is a pen flashlight, as you can see, and Wuben graciously sent me this to test. Thank you, Wuben, for doing that. I am going to fully test it, as I always do. Let's get into some stats. So on high, it claims 650 lumens. On its medium mode, 150 lumens, low is 50, and then it has a moonlight mode of 1 lumen. So to get to that is just a tail switch. Click the tail switch, that was on high. Now it's on its moonlight mode. Next mode is your low, medium, and then high. And that high is pretty good in my opinion, but what I really like so far is the low moonlight mode of 1 lumen. I think that's awesome. I've used it around my house quite a bit so far, and it works really great. Moving on, it has a fantastic little tail clip on here, nice and springy. A lot of give there, really good. Goes into the pocket really easily and fits in the pocket well. As you can see, doesn't stick up too much. It could also fit in a vest, like a tactical vest or something like that, because I think this would be a phenomenal little searchlight. Also, it can go on the brim of a hat pretty easily, and it doesn't feel too bad on the brim of a hat because it's not super heavy. Inside, it's powered by a 600 milliamp hour, 14 something something battery. A battery I have no experience with, but I think it's really cool. It's got a USB-C charging port on the battery itself, so you have to take it out to charge it, but I think that's okay for a pen light. I'm not too worried about it because they saved some space and made it nice and thin. I do really like the design of this. I think it's nice and sleek. It looks really good, but will it survive all of the self-equipped testing? Well, we're going to take it outside first, show you what it looks like at night, and then we'll put it through the full suite of tests. All right, here is the Wuben PL01 on its like firefly or moonlight mode here. You can barely see it's on, but you can see it's shining on the sign there, so very low. And then speaking of low, here is the low. I can start to see these trees over here on this left-hand side, and a nice good wide beam. There's the medium on it, pretty good. Lights up the street pretty good. Get those trees, start to get that 50-meter tree for sure. And then there's the high, and that's pretty good. Reminder, this is coming out of a 600 milliamp hour battery and a pen light. So this is a ton of light. There's a little bit of a ring coming, but yeah, I am super happy with the amount of light coming out of this thing. Lots and lots of light. 50 meters, no problem. Probably touching that 100-meter tree for sure. Yeah, it definitely is. Not much past that, but pretty good. Okay, we are at the shed with the PL. Oh, that was everything. Sneak peek. The PL01. And there's that firefly mode. So you can see a lot better now that we're not in the street. That it does throw a decent amount of light in. I can see to the back of the shed here with just this firefly. And there's the low. Plenty of light. That's all I would really need looking in the shed. But we'll show you medium and high. And that's a lot of light coming out of that, and it looks really good. All right, we're going to do the water submersion test on the PL01 right now. It's on low mode, and as always, 30 minutes. See ya. Okay, time's up. Let's take it out. Obviously still on. I will let you know if there's any water intrusion, and we'll go right into drop testing. All right, the PL01 survived with no problem, no water intrusion, so we're going to do our drop testing, waist height and head height twice. Oh, turned off. Oh no. Really? Okay, so a quick update with the PL01. It did stop working. I was super bummed after that last drop. But I looked in the internals a little bit. I took some stuff apart. That did not work. Put it all back together. But then, in all my wisdom and flashlight engineering knowledge, I hit it on the table several times in different ways. And lo and behold, I fixed it, and it is back on. So we're going to drop it off the roof, and it'll probably break again, but maybe it won't. We'll see. PL01 off the roof. Don't have a lot of hope, but here it goes. Off again. Alright, despite my best efforts, I could not get the PL01 working again after the roof drop. So it is dead, unfortunately. I'm not super surprised, as it is a penlight and it does have a very skin-tight kind of look to it, so it's probably the internals aren't that protected, but that's alright. Ultimately, I really, really do like this light. I used this a lot while it was working. And I think that if you're not going to drop it from above your head height, you should definitely pick one up. It's an awesome little pen light. Could definitely be used on duty, like patrol-wise. This would be a fantastic search light if you're searching cars. I would super recommend this. Really great modes on it. And super cool battery and good length, good size, sleek look. Love it. So if you do want to pick one up, there's a link in my description, and that would really help my channel out, so I would appreciate it if you'd buy it there, but ultimately it's up to you. And if you liked the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, YouTube stuff. That really helps me out, and I am on my journey to 1,000 subscribers, so please be a part of that. I would really appreciate it. But all in all, Wuben PL01 is a good light. Hope you guys pick one up. Let me know if you do, and let me know if you have any ideas of future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We will see you on the next one.